right, hi everyone, this is Jackie from GemLightbox. We're here at the JCK Show 2026 and I'm with the lovely Susan from Keller's Jewelers, and they're based in Menifee, California. Susan, so good to see you today.
Thank you.
And first of all, Susan, can you tell us a little bit about Keller's Jewelers and what you guys do?
Yes, we're family owned and operated for over 60 years. We're a small mom and pop. My brother does all the in-store repair, and we were looking for very simple, straightforward photography.
Amazing. And can you tell us a little bit about the challenges you've been facing with your photography so far?
The biggest one is quality, clarity, color. You cannot get a true color or clarity with just regular photography.
Gotcha. And I know you've been struggling a lot with the photography and you've tried a few solutions. What have you been using so far? You mentioned you were just kind of taking pictures on your phone.
Yes, I use my phone. I use ChatGPT for color correction. I've used my Nikon D60 with a different type of lens. It's very complicated.
Yeah,
A long process.
definitely. Which product did you purchase today, Susan?
I bought the GemIQ, the newest light box.
This light box, amazing. And what were your first impressions when you first saw the machine today?
Amazing,
Yep,
simplistic, very straightforward.
fantastic. What would you say was your favorite feature? Was it the spinning turntables or the camera?
The spinning turntable, and it will do a 360 and each side view at once.
Amazing. And last of all, if you could describe the GemLightbox in one word, what would it be?
Perfectly amazing for a very busy individual.
Fantastic. And last question for you, why would you recommend the GemLightbox to your colleagues and other jewelers as well?
If you're looking for something that's going to take a quality picture and you have a busy schedule, it seems very amazing.
Amazing. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Susan.
Thank you.
It was great to meet you.
You've been amazing as well.
Thank
I
you.
highly recommend this gentleman.
Thank you, Susan. It's great
Thank
to meet
you.
you and Ralph. And if you guys are looking for your next jewelry piece, please make sure you visit Keller's Jewelers in Menifee, California. And I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you.